So in our last session, we have seen that how can we use a misover option to read the missing value from your text file. Now we'll see that how can we use a trunkover option with the infile statement to read some of the truncated value. So it works in the same way as the misover works. The only difference is that misover read the missing value and trunkover read the value that are shorter than what we have defined. Okay, so let me take an example so that you can understand. So there is one file by name trunk. So let me go and open the trunk file. Here is a trunk file. So now here you can see that all of the things are looking fine except the value which is at, at your end of the file. So in last session I told you that whatever the option we are using with the end file statement, these all options for the values or the variable which is here at the end of the line. Okay. So here you can see that your third variable. So I'm assuming that these have the three columns. So the first column or first variable ends at column number 14. Second variable is your number and your third variable is your again address. So we have three variables over here. So now you can see that. So I'm going to create a home address. I'm using infile statement. Then I've given the path of this. Okay, let's take an example. This is above example where we are not using the trunk over. So I've given the path of the file along with the extension. Then I've simply used the column input method. So you can see that in this input statement, I've used the column input method where I define the position of the name, position of the number, and position of the street. So the street is my last variable. However, you have defined the street variable from 19 to 36. Let's go back to our data. So now here you can see that 19 is starting from here, just before that, and 36 is somewhere here. So I'm taking the position as per my maximum value. So here we have a maximum value that is till drive, but other values are shorter than that. So you can see that Maple Avenue is shorter than Washington Drive, and it is uh, longer than your SC14. So if you will give the value as per your maximum length or maximum count, maximum byte, so in that case what will happen when I will run it, because you have defined the position from 19 to 36, and let me go back. Okay, I think. Okay, so that is the error of physical files. So we'll have to go and change the physical path. Okay, now let me run it. Let's go and check the log. Okay, so in error, you can see that it's showing the loss card, and in error, you can see that this error is specifically for the street. Let's go in the data set that have been created. So it's showing that in the name it has taken correctly, number taken correctly, but it when it goes to the street, it reads the Sylvia Chun. So that is the name of your second line. So value that was on your second line. So you can see that it reads the value from Sylvia Chung to 1302. So that means because you have to find the length from 19 to 36 in the first line, because you for the third variable you define the length for entire observations. So when it doesn't find out that 19 to 36, the length which is equal to 19 to 36, it will move to next line to read that length also. So if some of the values will be shorter than what you have defined, so 19 to 36 means there should be value should be equal to that particular width also. So that means if we will try to read that data using normal statement, then it will give us error. So for this kind of error, we generally use the trunk over option. So trunk over option, what it does, it stop the SAS to move to the next line, and it give the instruction that even if the value are shorter than what we have defined, so SAS should read that shorter value itself instead of moving to the next line. So that is what that means. So now I will use the trunk over option. So first I will have to change the physical path. Now I'm going to run it. Now go listen check log. So you can see that there is no error showing, and let's go and check your home address. Now you can see that everything is fine and our data has been generated correctly. So this was the example of trunk over.